Hajde da introducemo naše contestants.
Okay.
As the tributes stand under the podiums, the horn sounds.
Komšemila sa drugog sprata, Rips and Mace out Miroslav heads.
Morina snatches a pair of sais.
Kiric runs away from cornucopia.
Milanovic runs away from cornucopia.
Philip attacks confidence guys, but Sofia protects him. Kills Phil.
Filip je već umro koji loser. Nikola P. snatches a pair of sais.
Veiko finds a canteen full of Veta.
Nemanja P. rips a mace out of Komšemila koji cepa Drew's hands.
Vlado runs away from cornucopia jer je on pro, bre.
Miljan stays at the cornucopia for resources.
Vakajči grabs a shovel.
Prstić runs away from cornucopia.
Lazar runs away isto.
Milan grabs a backpack, not realizing it is empty, naravno.
Vasalia runs away from cornucopia.
Angela isto.
I Lidija i Shrek, okej, skratim. Nikolić seče pair of size, ne znam šta je to, lobi.
Reći će nam Filip koji je umro. Luka grabs a backpack and retreats.
Mladen, Nemanja P. i Nikolić hunt for other tributes.
Miroslav and Vilanović work together for the day.
Angela chase Nikola.
Luka, Morina, Komšemila sa drugog sprata, and Veljko hunt for other tributes.
Vakajči receive fresh food from an unknown sponsor.
Sofia thinks about home.
Lydia steals from Miljan while he isn't looking.
Prstić collects fruit from a tree.
Lazar attacks Vasalia, but he managed to escape.
Shrek,
Da.
confidence guys, and Chiric hunt for other tributes.
Komšemila koji cepa drva receives an explosive from an unknown sponsor.
Milan receives clean water from an unknown sponsor, naravno.
Ko je loser? Nikola P. Nikolić, Miljan, Komšemila sa drugog sprata and Vasalije sleeps in ship.
Whoa, my microphone. Nemanja P. convinces Morina to snuggle with him.
Lydia quietly hums.
Shrek questions his sanity. What are you doing?
Angela looks at the night sky.
Luka receives clean water from an unknown sponsor.
Veljko quietly hums.
Prstić is unable to start a fire and sleeps without warmth.
Coffin guy starts a fire and they switch a coffins.
Sofia tends to her wounds.
Vakajči Čerić Hawkins.
Are you shit?
Dva Stefana. Stefan plus Stefan.
Mladen strangles Milanovic with a rope.
Komšemila koji cepa drva. Milan on there and kills him.
Miroslav
Da.
thinks about winning.
I Laz.
Miljan falls into a pit and dies.
Miroslav goes hunting.
Vasalia receives fresh food from an unknown sponsor.
Angela and Lazar walk together for the day.
Sofia takes Morina, but she manages to escape.
Chiric and Nikolić split up to search for resources.
Mladen questions his sanity.
Confidence guy questions his sanity like a Mladen who is pro totally.
Komšemila sa drugog sprata attacks Komšemila koji se podrva, but he manages to escape.
Veljko search for firewood.
Shrek, Nikola P, Nemanja P, and Lydia hunt for other tributes.
Luka collects it from tree.
Prstić spears Vagajic in the abdomen.
Wolf mats are let to lose in the arena.
Sofia is crushed by a pack of wolf mutts.
And Luka is eaten by wolf.
As Miroslav and Lydia fight, a pack of wolf mutts show up and kill them both.
As Chiric and Veljko fight, a pack of wolf mats show up and kill them both. Nah, Chiric!
Komšemila koji cepa drva pushes Morina into a pack of wolf mutts.
Nikola is eaten by wolf mats.
Nikolić survives.
I confident guy survive.
Prstić is crushed by a pack of wolf mutts.
Nemanja P push Angela into a pack of wolf mats.
Vasalia survives.
Mladen push Shrek into a pack of wolf mats.
Mladen convinces Komšemila koji cepa drva, o ne, neću da čitam to.
Šta to radi? Okej. Lazar tries to sing himself to sleep. Oh.
Vasilij and Komšemila sa drugog sprata work together to drown Nikolić.
Confidence guys is awoken by nightmares.
Nemanja P is awoken by nightmares.
The cornucopia is replenished with food, supplies, weapons, and memoirs from tributes familias.
Da. Буенос Міос. Василія Терського Шаміла Куйце Подруб. Пат Немоня П. Protects killing Василія.
Lazar decides not to go to the feast.
Ком Шаміла з другого спета decides not to go to the feast. Всі остали.
The Lazar search for a water source.
Ком Шаміла Куйце Подруб Мейса slingshot.
Odrveta. Kom Shemila с друга спрета receives fresh food from an unknown sponsor.
Confidence guy searches for firewood.
Nemanja P and Mladen split up to search for resource.
Confidence guy starts a fire.
Nemanja P attempts to start a fire but is unsuccessful.
Ком Шаміла Куйце Подруб tries to beat his infection.
Kom Shemila с друга спрета со своим супермочевым готом destroys Lazar's place while he is asleep.
Mladen tends to his wounds.
Kom Shemila с друга спрета. А?
Яко съм
Kom Shemila с друга спрета. Okay, Kom Shemila с друга спрета sets Lazar on fire which a molotov.
Немanja P overpowers Kom Шаміл Куйце Подруб, killing him.
Confidence guy search for firewood.
Mladen receives clean water from an unknown sponsor. Confidence guy receives clean water from an unknown sponsor.
And Nemanja P thinks about home.
Mladen lets Kom Шаміла з другого спета and took his shelter.
Nemanja P injures himself.
Kom Шаміл з другого спета fishes.
Mladen stalls Confidence guys.
Kom Шаміл з другого спета confidence guys and Mladen discuss the games and what might happen in the morning.
Mladen and Kom Shemila с друга спрета hunt for other tributes.
Confidence guys scare Nemanja P off.
Nemanja P attempts to start a fire but is unsuccessful.
Confidence guys Kom Шаміл з другого спета and Mladen sleep in shifts.
Mladen constructs a shack.
Kom Шаміл з другого спета explores the arena.
Nemanja P camouflage himself in the bushes.
Confidence guys isto.
Okay, Kom Shemila с друга спрета defeats Confidence guys in fight but spares his life.
Mladen screams for help.
Nemanja P receives an explosive from an unknown sponsor.
Kom Шаміл з другого спета searches for a water source.
Confidence guys runs away from Mladen.
Nemanja P makes a wooden spear.
Oh man. Okay. Nemanja P starts a fire.
Kom Šamіл з другого спета receives an explosive from an unknown sponsor.
Confidence guy stayed to his wounds.
Mladen attempts to climb a tree but falls to his death.
Confidence guys and Nemanja P tricked and double side it falls and they die. И нищо се не desilo, да нищо не гледа. И победник е Kom Šamil с друг спрата.
Wow, fictional character. Je pobedio.
Nije fictional pravi, sreo sam ga na Milk Tube Fest.